Unboxing the Air Jordan 4 Retro Thunder. Welcome to my channel. I'm HJ. We'll be unboxing a pair of shoes and also learning how to clean Nubuck. If this video is helpful, please like and subscribe. I had early access on these. They release May 13th and they retail for $210. I did a live unboxing and there is actually mold on the tongue tag a little bit. The box was also a little bit damaged, but I'll go ahead, I'll shut up and I'll let you guys just watch this and then I'll comment on it later. Right underneath the Jumpman and toe box, it is dirty / damaged, whatever you want to call it. It was not easily cleaned with just taking one of my brushes to clean it. I will need to use an eraser, but here it is finished. You can see it was successful. I'm just going to show you the steps that I took to make it look great. All the information I'll have linked in the description. I did get this from Amazon and it was only $5. I believe other companies do make this, but you might as well just get a cheaper one. I think they all pretty much work the same, but I'll go ahead, I'll link it in the description. Make sure that you use the correct side. So this is gray for Nubuck and then white for suede. I'm not gonna make you watch the entire time of me cleaning it. Long story short, use the eraser about 4 times. So every single mark, I use the eraser, then I brushed it off. I use the eraser, and then I brushed it off. But it does depend on how damaged the material is. What's really sad is these are brand new shoes, so they should not have been damaged, but I was really glad that just with a little bit of work, they can look brand new. Have you guys had any experiences recently where you get shoes that are damaged or the quality control just isn't there? Go ahead and drop a comment. I definitely want to hear back from you. And if you have had that happen, what shoes were they? I don't know how well you can see with this video, but the mark is still there if you really look closely. So again, you have to do this about 4 times is what I found worked for me. Right underneath the Jumpman, you can see that that Nubuck material is a little bit funky, so I'm gonna fix that as well. And here's how they should have looked straight out of the box. But anyways, it works out. I got to show you guys how to use the eraser. This was actually my first time. I was a little bit skeptical, but I was really glad that the Nubuck eraser does work miracles. Here, I'm just going to remove some of the fuzz. I just use packing tape. And here is the before in case you forgot how bad they were. And then the after. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and drop a comment on what type of videos you'd like to see next. Take care, guys, and happy creating.